All right, this is the last problem, and it does look really difficult. What I'm going to suggest you do, though, is it looks like a subtraction might be in order, because in ReFat it looks like a lot of bad things are going to disappear. So if you took this equation and subtracted this one, what are you going to get? You would get 2 over xy. The 1 over x squared disappears, and 1 over y disappears. 1 over y squared disappears. But now you're left off with, I mean, it looks like it really looks bad. But what's nice about it is the same denominator. So what do you get? A squared, a minus b squared. And what do you get on top? I'll be careful about this. We're subtracting, right? So you can get 2a4. And let's see what you're going to get. Minus, let's see what you get there. 3, whoops, not 3. Minus 3, minus 2. A squared, b squared, and the b4 disappears. I'm going to divide both sides by 2. You get 1 over xy equals, and I'm going to factor out an a squared too. So you get a squared, and then you get a squared. I already divided by 2, by the way. You get a squared minus b squared. And what do you get there? A squared, a minus b. Well, you know what? Things are starting to shape up. So 1 over xy is equal to, well, the a squares definitely disappear. And you're going to get a minus b, a plus b. Whoops, I forgot to square over there. And you can get a minus b, a minus b. And 1 over xy would equal, this cancels, provided a is not equal to b, that is. And you're left off with a plus b over a minus b. So I'm just going to write a little differently. I'm going to write it as xy is equal to a minus b over a plus b. So the dust did settle, and it settled to what they said I'd get. All right, get the same thing. Now, granted, you might be exhausted after doing that. Oh, if you are, and you need additional support, you're thinking my key's not enough for you, I don't know, reach out to me. My email is Bannon, B as in boy, the @ symbol, nnon.us. All right? So I'm going to kind of look at it. And someone says, what are you looking at now? Well, I'm looking at this fact. And then what I do is I solve for x. And I'm looking at this fact. And then what I do is I plug it into one of the two equations. And yeah, I know this is tough. There's no doubt about it. So here's where your paper and pencil is going to come in handy. But I'm going to say you should be able to hit this milestone, then hit this milestone, then hit this milestone, this milestone. Yep, a lot of work is written down for you, isn't it? This milestone, and it's tough, by the way, and then this milestone. Then what do you get? You get a bunch of solutions over here, and I'm hoping you're realizing what are we looking for? Ordered pairs. I'm hoping you're able to get these ordered pairs from the work that we're providing to you. Someone says, where's the graph? I can't graph this out with the parameters. All right? And that's about it. Thank you so much for your attention.